Business owners and professionals, do you know how to keep safe in today's unprecedented time of grievance-driven violent attacks? Angry people are targeting business owners and professionals because of the kind of work that you do, the people you hire, and who you are. And these violent attacks aren't just happening at the workplace, but at business owners and professionals' homes and while you're out in the community. Look, Fortune 500 companies spare no expense to keep their executives safe from a violent attack. They employ full-time security teams and round-the-clock bodyguards to keep their executives safe, but few business owners and professionals have the resources to outsource your safety from violence. And what about the police? Can they protect you? No, they can't. In fact, the average time it takes nationally for police to respond to a violent incident call is 10 minutes. The average attack itself lasts 7 seconds or less, so you can see there's no way that the police can get there in time except after the fact to conduct an investigation. And that means your safety from a violent attack fully depends upon you knowing what to do in case you're attacked at the workplace, your home, or while you're out in the community. And because the safety threats are ever present, you don't have the luxury to take years to learn personal safety. You've got to be able to learn what you need to know now. And that's not easy to do. A violent attack is unpredictable and chaotic in nature. An attack can happen anywhere and at any time. That's why to protect yourself from the harm of violence, you have to understand the key elements needed for personal safety. I've created this 3-hour personal safety workshop to help you be safe while you're in the workplace, at your home, and out in the community. It's based upon what I learned from investigating real-life violent incidents for 30 years and teaching personal safety to business owners and professionals like yourself for 15 years. Here's what you'll learn. 1, the benefits of mastering personal safety in this time of grievance-driven violence. 2, the myths surrounding the nature of violence and the ways it occurs and how those myths harm your ability to keep yourself safe. 3, the 4 key elements of personal safety and how to match the right element to a given safety risk. 4, why this one safety skill is the most important skill to master to keep you safe while you're out in the community. 5, why parking areas are the 3rd most common location for a violent attack, including murder, and the ways that you can keep yourself safe when you're in a parking lot and parking garage. And 6, why self-defense serves as the backstop when it comes to your personal safety and why it must be an essential part of your personal safety system, including when you are attacked by an armed attacker. So if you're ready to learn the essential elements to keeping yourself safe from today's grievance-based violence, click on the button below and sign up for this personal safety masterclass for business owners and professionals to learn to keep yourself safe in the workplace, at your home, and while you're out in the community.